Cosmopolitan over here in beautiful Las Vegas. Popular hotel. A lot of bachelorette parties here. This is the taxi line, or I guess any vehicle. Front desk. Got all the slot machines right by the check-in here. We're on the first floor. So we're up here on the second floor now. I guess they have shows here. Spa Salon, Chelsea Tower. And after a nice couple hundred meters, you're greeted here at the food courts. Ooh. It smells fantastic in here. Shakes and buns, dog friendly, pet friendly. That's awesome. There's a chandelier. There's some more of the casino down there on the first floor. This looks like a mall up here. Oh, there's a bar up here. Nice. That's cool.
Whoa, is it for children?
Third floor. Some more restaurants and stuff. It's early in the day, so probably a little quiet up here. You've got the Boulevard pool up there, but it's closed. Yeah, so we climbed up. The one's going down, and it is closed. It's a secret pizza place here. Oh, there's no signs. We're at the bottom of the chandelier. This is the first floor. And here is the sports room. First thing you see when you get out to this room. Thank you, sir.